goes crazy every time I call her baby. It easily understands. I need a girl with a bass boat to help me with my truck and don't love me just the way I am. I don't want a woman that's tied to a mama. I'd rather have a daddy's girl that can change her oil and change a tire and builds at home in a man's world. She don't need a dress, look her best at picnics and county fairs. Just a girl in faded jeans that don't need diamond rings with a little time to spare. I'm looking for a girl with a bass boat to help me with my truck, no beer in the Frigidaire. One that can sew and loves to cook and don't worry about her nails and hair. One that goes crazy every time I call her baby and easily understands. I need a girl with a bass boat to help me with my truck and don't love me just the way I am. Awesome. Side fiddle boy. But I'm looking for a girl with a bass boat to help me with my truck, no beer in the Frigidaire. One that can sew and loves to cook and don't worry about her nails or hair. One that goes crazy every time I call her baby and easily understands. I need a girl with a bass boat to help me with my truck and don't love me just the way I am. Looking for a girl with a bass boat to help me with my truck and don't love me just the way I am.